Hi dear students, how are you all of you? Dear students, you all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, today we are understanding the first lesson of first standard of Cherry Macmillan education book of semester 1. Yes, the name of the poem is My Teacher. Yes, dear students, you are going to the school every day and you have your teachers in the school. Yes. Will you tell me what is your teacher name? See, the question is given here. It's our warm up. What is your teacher's name? What does she teach you? Yes. See, here you have to write name of your teacher and which subject does she teach you or does he teach you. That you have to write here. Understood? Now we'll understand this. Let's read. My teacher always points the way. My teacher always points the way. I learn a lot from her each day. I learn a lot from her each day. Dear student, listen here. Here you can see the teacher. Yes, here you can see the teacher and children are telling that my teacher always points the way means she always give right way to her students. Yes, and the child is speaking, I learn a lot from her each day. Child is telling, whenever I am going to the school and every day I am going to the school, every day I am learning new things, extra things, good things, and a lot things from her. Yes, she teaches me to read and write. What she teaches to the child, dear students? Teacher is teaches to the child to read and write. Yes, whenever you are going to the school, your teachers they are also teaching to you reading and writing. Yes, sing songs and poems to recite, as well as your teacher is the child's teacher is teaching to him singing songs and recitations of the poem. Yes, she tells me to be good and kind, and my teacher always tells me that you have to be very much good and kind with everyone. A caring friend in her I find. And child is telling, my teacher, I look to my teacher as my friend. Yes, and she is taking care of me. A caring friend in her I find. Yes, here you can see the picture and see. Now quick check is given here and a hard word is there. The teacher tells us to be good and kind. Dear student, what will be here? Kind. Yes, and recite means to say aloud a poem before someone. Dear students, now you are in first standard. When you are in senior kg, junior kg, nursery, you used to recite the poems means you used to say the poems again and again. Understood? See, the exercise of this lesson is quite small, so this exercise also we will cover it today. Understood? Here you can see the exercise page number 15. Yes, answer the following questions. What is it, dear student? Here you have to answer these following questions. Question number 1 is that what does the teacher teach the child? What does the teacher teach the child? The teacher teaches to the child reading and writing. See, I have given here answer also. The teacher teaches to the child reading and writing. And our question second is, what does the teacher tell the child to be? What does the teacher tell the child to be? The teachers A teacher tells to child to be good and kind. Teacher tells to child to be good and kind. Here one horse is given. Yes. Do you think children like friendly teachers? Do you think children like friendly teachers? Yes. And why they have given yes? Because children can share everything with the teacher. If the teacher is like a friend to them, then the children they are also, you know, they are also free to share everything with the teacher. So teacher should be friendly with her students. Now activities there student, that activity also we will see. Learn the poem and recite it in the class. You have to learn this poem and recite in the class. Color the flower. See, the flower is given for you and you have to color this flower. My teacher, yes, your teacher is what? Kind, loving, caring or gentle. This you have to color. Yes, understood. Dear student, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.